In this video, I'm going to be attempting to make more than $6,000 from Snapchat in 1 week. What's poppin', y'all? I'm Logan Ski, an 18-year-old entrepreneur and social media star who's gonna take on the new and improved Snapchat challenge. If you're an avid viewer of this channel, you know I tried something similar to this about a week ago and totally failed, but that was mainly because Snapchat scammed me. This time I have a plan to make more than $6,000 throughout the week, and we'll finally figure out the best way to go viral on Snapchat. And for the people who don't understand how I've made tens of thousands of dollars on Snapchat Spotlight, I'll insert a clip from the past video where I explain it. Basically, Snapchat was paying $1 million a day to the top 100 most viewed videos that creators posted. So if your video had enough views to be in the top 100 videos of the day, you would get paid a lot of money. But unfortunately, they lowered the amount they were giving away in August. Instead of 1 million per day, it's now millions per month. We don't know how many millions that is because they didn't specify, but the payments are definitely lower than they used to be. Us creators assume they cut it in half, so instead of 30 million a month, it's probably around 10 to 15 million. Alongside lessening the payment, Snapchat also changed how creators are paid. They used to send us the dollar amount we made, but now they send out crystals. I got my first payment in crystals today, and it appears that every 10,000 crystals is $1,000. So every crystal would be worth around 10 cents. Adding on to that, it takes 14 days to extract your crystals after they show up in your Snap payout, and today was the 14th day for me, so let's open Snap and see if each crystal was worth 10 cents. I just opened Snapchat, and yup, it is. I got 11,168 crystals, and that equals $1,116. So that means we'll need at least 60,000 crystals to beat this challenge. The Snapchat challenge will take place between September 24th and October 1st. This time I'm going to be posting on 2 accounts during the challenge. One being my main account, which I suspect might be ineligible for payments, and the second being a new account I made yesterday. I will only be posting my TikTok videos and Snap memories on my main account, and on my second account I will only be posting videos filmed with the Snapchat camera. So each account for this challenge serves as a variable. So after this challenge, we'll finally find out what type of videos pay the most money. And as y'all already know, the goal of this challenge is to make $6,000 from these videos within the 1 week time period. It is currently 2 days before the challenge starts, and I need to film like 40 videos with the Snapchat camera on my new account. So let's get filming. I just realized this. Alright, time to die trying a handstand. I've had my car for 12 years and I never knew this was in here. I just found this dead worm, so I think I'm gonna make a video with it. Gonna make his dying wish to get him famous. He's like bleeding and stuff. I bought this car yesterday and look what they put in the gas tank. What the heck? We gotta get Mr. Wormy famous. Oh, that scare you?
Your whip is a toilet, you looking like poop in it. One garage, 2 coupes in it. 3 chains and they all hidden. He don't know what to do with it. She gon' let the whole...
Alright, I just finished all the videos and I didn't vlog all of them because that would have made the process take way longer. So far I've made 51 videos and I posted all of them as I made them, of course, and we might already have a viral video. This video I made for the challenge yesterday is already at 86,000 views, and you normally get paid if the video gets more than 150,000 views within 24 hours, so we might already have a viral video that will pay us. I'll check in tomorrow with y'all when the challenge officially starts. Good morning, y'all, and welcome to the first day of the challenge. I'm gonna be posting around 8 to 15 videos on each account every hour for the next week. I posted the first set of videos on each account as soon as I woke up, and I can't believe we already got a viral video. Yesterday night, I told y'all a video was at 80k views, and when I checked it 10 minutes ago, it's now at 160,000 views. That's over the 150k mark, so we might already have a video that'll pay us for this challenge. We're starting off on the right foot, but we're gonna need a few more of those to hit the money goal. And I'm also pretty sure the new account takes longer to get paid because they don't already have the payout tab. So instead of the normal 2-day wait, we may not know for weeks. So if this video comes out hella late, that's why. I'll see y'all soon for another update. Day 2 update. And yes, I'm wearing the same hoodie. Don't roast me. Alright, so I posted around 100 videos on each account yesterday, and it looks like we might have 3 virals, well, 1 viral and 2 potential virals. Let me look at them. So the video that was at like 140k last time we talked is currently at 250k, but like I said, it takes 24 hours to qualify, so in that 24 hours it only gained like another 100k, so I don't think that'll pay twice, but it should pay the first day, hopefully. Then we have 2 potential viral videos. One I posted on Thursday, that's at 1.6k, and the second that I posted also Thursday night, that's at 8.9k. Both of these look like they have the pattern to blow up and go viral because most flop videos stop around 300 to 600 views, but who knows, we'll just have to wait and see. But so far this challenge looks like it's going very well, and the main account has nothing viral at all yet, which I'm not surprised about because I'm pretty sure it's ineligible for payment, but who knows. And I'll update y'all again probably tomorrow, and then then we'll make some more content. Boys, it is the next day, and I swear we can only take dubs on this challenge. Holy nuts. So the first video that went viral, I've talked about a few times. Right now, it's at 333,000 views, which is dope and all, but I don't think it'll pay an extra day, but hey, it might. Then we have a video I posted Friday on my main account where I'm posting all the TikToks that is going absolutely ham. It was at 119K at 10:57 a.m. and let me check what it's at right now. It's currently at 141,000 views. So it's gaining 20,000 views every 30 minutes. That means it's gaining 40,000 views every hour. So God, please let this one pay, because if this pace keeps up for this video, this could literally pay all of the $6,000 of the challenge from one video. I took a bunch of screenshots. I don't know if I want to put it on the screen, but let me look what it was at this morning. So today at 7:33 a.m. it was at 14.8K, and then like I said, right now it's at 141K. So it already gained around 100,000 views in a little under 4 hours. So if this keeps up, banger. And yeah, there's a few other videos that look like they might have a pattern of going viral that I'm not gonna take screenshots of because there's no point of it. And I'm gonna make more spotlight videos filmed on the Snapchat camera tomorrow, so I'll probably check in with y'all then or tonight if this video went like apeshit viral. Yo, midday update. I'm having a little scooter session with the homie that you've seen in my actual vlogs if you watch my comedy channel. And the video is currently at 202,000 views. The video that was going viral this morning on my main account. And this man, tell me what you just told me.
This morning I was on a Snap and I ended up seeing that video.
Yeah, so this def going viral. Hopefully it goes to like 400K and we hit that $6,000 mark from this one video alone. Today is day 4 of the challenge and I'm gonna make some new videos. But first, let me update you on the video that was popping on my main account. And let me shut these blinds. The last time I filmed yesterday, it was at 202K, and before I went to bed, it hit 308K. So it basically got 300,000 views in a 24-hour time period. So God, please let this qualify, because if it pays, we're getting a fat check. And the first viral video is at like 400K, but it's growing super slow, so we only have the chance of getting paid for it from the first day it went viral. And if that was on my main account, we would get that payout today, but because it's a new account, no one knows when we'll finally get these crystals. In the Discord, they say you will get a Snap notification if you're logged into the new account, and you get paid between 12 and like 1:30. So I'm gonna be logged in on my phone to that account during that time, and if we get a notification, I'll screenshot it and let y'all know. As of now, we have 2 viral videos that hopefully both pay, and now I'm gonna go film some more videos for this challenge.
I just wanna eat it.
For an hour, but I'm rolling off a bean now.
Run for it. Riding shotgun with the AK.
All right, I just finished filming like 10 more videos, and then I made an ad for a company, and during the filming of that ad, I got a beautiful notification on my phone. I'll let y'all read it real quick. Yup, that's right, we got our first viral video that paid. It was this video right here that I posted on my second account, so new accounts definitely work. The only sad part about new accounts is we won't know how much money I made until like a month or more. But nonetheless, it's a massive dub that we got a video that paid already, and hopefully we have another one coming tomorrow. That video with 300,000 views went viral a day ago, so 2 days after that will be tomorrow, which means it should pay tomorrow, and that will be on my main account so we can see how much I made for it. I'll talk to y'all then. I just got the Discord alert that September 26 paid, which was the day that we had the viral video that got 350,000 views in 24 hours. So I'm expecting that to pay $3,000 to $6,000, but I didn't get a notification, so it probably didn't pay. I was reading the chat and a lot of people said they were getting late payments recently, so we may have hope to get paid for it still, because it should pay around $3,000 to $6,000, but I've never been paid late before, so I'm pretty sure we lost all hope with this one. And it also just reaffirms the thought that my main account is ineligible for more payments. But on the bright side, we do have another viral, and on the bad side of the bright side, that viral is on my main account, so I don't know if we'll get paid for it. It's this video right here, and this morning it had around 82,000 views, and when I just checked a few minutes ago, it was at 202,000 views, so it's over 120K in a day. But hopefully it gets more views in the last 6 hours of the 24-hour time period, so it can pay. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna make more spotlight videos for the second account, and let's hope this video goes viral on my main and it pays. See you then. Overnight, the video gained 50,000 more views, so it is currently at 252,000 views, and I know at least 140K of those were in the 24-hour time period, but if I had to guess, I'd say it's somewhere between 150 to 180K, which is enough to qualify, but we won't know until Friday. So all we can do is hope that it pays, and now I'm gonna film some more spotlights.
Life goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of
What's crack-a-lackin', my boys? It's the final day, and we just got paid. paid. I tried to make that rhyme. That did not work. Today is October 1st, aka the last day of the challenge, which is on a Friday, and we just got another payment. This payment is on my main account, so I guess it's still eligible for payments. Now let's look how much I made. I was awarded 7,458 crystals on October 1st, 2021. That's today. Wait, never mind. It says down there. For the submission on September 29th. I'll play that video right here. It's one of the videos I made for the first Snapchat challenge. It didn't pay anything, so I guess that went to work now. And yeah, 7,458 crystals is $745.80. So that's a dub. If you look at my analytics, September 29th was Wednesday, and that day we got 190,000 views. Now, of course, that wasn't all from the one video because I posted tons of other content that was also getting views. So I say probably 150K out of that is what paid us. So throughout the challenge, we know we got paid twice. This one for $748 and the other one on the new account that we don't know how much money we made until the end of the video, where I'll have to show you that, which will be in like a month. Hopefully we get the late payment, as you can see on the analytics, for the day where I had 382,000 views, because that could pay tons, like 3 to 6K. And I also got to post tons of more videos today that can go viral in the future. So I'll check in with y'all when we get more payments. Quick update, we just got paid again for the same video that paid us 7,000 crystals that I just talked about. It paid again for the next day for 5,754 crystals. So if you add up the 2 days it's paid for that one video, it's 13,212 crystals, which is $1,321.20. I'll talk to y'all again when we get another payment. All right, it's been over a month since I last filmed, and we still don't know how much money I made from the viral video on my second account. It currently has 1.2 million views, which is equivalent to like $20,000 to $40,000. But I don't know how long it took to get that many views, and I'm done waiting for an answer. So instead of having an accurate dollar amount, I'm gonna make an educated guess. We know it paid for at least 150K views, so that's like $800. And we also know it probably paid for the second day's views, which would add another $800. So if we add up our current total, that will be $1,312 plus 800 plus 800, which equals $2,912. And if that's the case, we failed the challenge and only made half of the money. But if the other 800K views did pay, I would estimate our ending balance at around $8,000, which means we beat the challenge. I don't have the 6K in my pockets yet, so I personally don't think we won, but I'll let you guys decide. Comment if I succeeded or failed the challenge. And that's it. I'll definitely update y'all in the future on how much it paid, so subscribe for that. And remember to work hard, stay consistent, hit the like button, and peace.